Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a castle in chess. So let's begin. First, we will put our knight over here. Let me show you it. Our next step will be we'll put our pawn up one step up. As you can see, the another bishop is coming from here, so we will not put our bishop over here. We will put it over here. Yeah. So you see, king can only move one step in any direction, but now we are going to make castle, so that's why it's automatically showing that. See, so we will put this over here and boom, it's magic. So put your king over here, or otherwise you can put your bishop over here if you want. Put your rock over here. So he cut mine, so before he goes into mine, I'll cut his. So I'll put my queen over here, and now I'll cross. Yeah. So now my king is in the castle, so I think I should put my knight over here. Tell me in the comments, is it right? Okay, so that's our castle. So bye bye, we'll see you in next video. Bye bye. Boom.